Okay, I searched for a lot of different videos on mounting the 10-inch Android radio in a 2013 Chevy Silverado. Um, of course, the 10-inch is wider than the original hole, but I couldn't find any good way of mounting for my particular vehicle, which is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. So what I did is the radio come with these brackets here, little L brackets. And I seen one video I found where he not super glued, but hot glued his radio in. I don't like the idea of that. Plus, I know over time the hot glue can work itself loose. But what I did is I took these L brackets and I cut off the ends of the L bracket. This part right here, I cut it off of there, just a little bit on each one. Then I went ahead using the screws that came with the radio and these brackets, and I screwed this in all the way flush down. And it really wouldn't matter which groove you used. I used the one to where the bracket will be highest, but you could go on the lower part of it. But anyhow, I went ahead and screwed them in flush while the radio was still out, holding it in my hand. And I got these screwed in good and tight on both sides. Then I took these little tabs here, the remains of what I cut off, and I folded them up towards this part of the bracket. Once I got both sides folded up, then I was able to slide the radio in from the front side of this piece of molding. Once I got it in and held it in position the way I wanted it, because I got it up flush all the way to the top, got it in there good, and then I just held it in place while I bent these tabs back down. And by bending these tabs back down, it's got it in there good and secured. It's not going anywhere. It's not sticking way out like some I've seen on their installation, and that just looks tacky as heck to me. This thing is flush, and it will look good once I get it in there. So that's how I mounted mine. This video is not about the wiring. This is just about mounting it, because like I said, I've searched for many different videos and couldn't find one out there on a 2013 Chevy Silverado. And the ones I did find, they mounted it in a very tacky way. But to me, this one looks more professional because, like I said, it's flush all the way up against the molding, and it's secured. It's not going anywhere. Hope that helps some people. Like I said, this is the 10-inch Android radio.